Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by creating a backup copy of your Premiere Pro project file immediately. Keep the original project untouched while you test Relink steps and changes. Next, gather all source folders and external drives you use during editing. Note the current drive letters and folder names for each media directory. Rename folders carefully if needed, but keep consistent naming to avoid confusion later. Finally, close other programs that may lock media files before opening Premiere again for relinking. Open your project and identify offline clips shown in red or labeled offline. Select one offline clip in the project panel and choose File, then Link Media from the menu. Click the Locate button and navigate to the folder that currently holds the source files. Select the exact matching file name and confirm the link for that clip in the dialog window. If files share identical names, use the Match File by options or confirm and apply link to remaining offline files. Premiere will, when automatic linking fails, use Reveal in Finder or Reveal in Explorer to inspect original file paths. Locate the new folder that contains the moved media and open one representative clip to confirm file integrity. In the Link Media window, choose the new top-level folder and enable the option to search using subfolders to relink multiple clips at once. For projects using proxies, select Attach Proxies and point Premiere to the proxy folder to reconnect lower resolution files. Finally, save a new version of the project after successful relink to preserve changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.